So we talked about personal branding and we've talked about company branding, and now we're going to talk about, like I said, the wider picture about what you're doing, because if you think about how we connect, people connect to people. So people, you want to connect to a company page, and company pages definitely have a place, as Gillian's just gone through, but how do you connect and what do you do? So I'm going to go through my 5 V's of connection. So who here actually finds people within LinkedIn? Who here actually looks in Google? Because everybody uses Google, don't they? I mean, or Bing, or does anybody use Bing? No. So you want to think about, how can I add value to my network? What can I share? What stories can I tell? Because we connect through storytelling, don't we? If you're sharing facts, that's interesting, but if you can add a story to that, then you've got a different level of engagement. With LinkedIn, how can you be vulnerable, show yourself, show your brand in a very professional way? And if you can do that, that's when people will connect to you. Feel like I've been